Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic side mirror glass. Remove the mirror backing and detach the old glass safely using a flathead and gloves. Clean the housing area thoroughly and apply the adhesive evenly to the new glass. Press the new glass into place, hold for adhesive set time, then test mirror adjustment gently. I'll guide you through each step so you can finish confidently and avoid common mistakes. Start by disconnecting power if your mirror has heat or adjustment motors to prevent shorting. Carefully pry around the edges with a flathead while wearing gloves to avoid cuts. Lift out the cracked glass and remove any adhesive residue with a suitable cleaner and cloth. Inspect the backing plate and motor for damage and replace parts if needed. Keep all screws and clips organized to simplify reassembly at the end of the job. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful DIY car tutorials. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite makes following step-by-step manuals on the go effortless and glare-free, perfect for garage work. It's lightweight and bright for close-up photos and instructions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Test fit the replacement glass to verify correct size and clips before adhesive application. Apply a thin, even bead of mirror-specific adhesive to the backing plate or the glass edge as recommended by the replacement instructions. Align the glass carefully, press into place, and hold steady for the adhesive's initial set time. Reconnect any heating or motor connectors, then cycle the mirror to confirm full range of motion and secure attachment before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.